band would perform Machine Neck. Here she comes, here she comes! She's a girl from Germany.
We're just a fan for you.
Oh my God, Ryan, you
Michael,
fucking
you know what
bad!
you should do?
What's that?
You should find out what her name is.
Hey, what's your name?
Rain.
Everyone say, what's up, Rain?
All right, dancers, get those dancers to the main stage. Rain to the main stage.
Rain, thank you for getting on stage. We appreciate you. You look so beautiful from the audience, and you look just as beautiful up close.
Oh, thank you so much.
Are you from this place?
Yeah, hell yeah, Frankfurt.
Fuck yeah, she knows
yeah.
Frankfurt. Make some noise. You know what? The reason I brought you on stage is because I want to write you a song.
She'd write her a song right now,
Hey,
Michael.
Frankfurt, should I write Rain a song right here, right here?
Yes.
Should I do it? Listen, I'm gonna write her a song from the heart, and if it's good, you guys gotta fucking make some noise. But if it's bad, you gotta let me know it sucks, alright?
Oh, you suck, Michael.
Exactly. Are you ready, Ray? Rain, I'm so glad you're here tonight. All the guys in the band are hoping that your pussy is nice and tight. Love your eyes, but I really love your hands. After the show, will you jack me up in my mom's minivan? Yeah. In my mom's minivan. In my mom's minivan. In my mom's minivan. In my sweet mama's van. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Even the black guy was like, "Fuck yeah, man, that's what it was." That was fucking beautiful, dude. Thank you, dude. I worked all night on that shit.
Holy shit.
You should write her a song.
You want me
dude.
to write her song?
Dude, I just nailed it. I'm getting pussy. What's up with you?
I do the best I can. She's really, really pretty.
She is,
It's
huh?
intimidating. I don't know. I don't think I've ever sang to such a beautiful girl in my whole life, but I'm gonna do the best I can to sing to you tonight, man. You're beautiful, you're sexy, and I wanna get in your crotch. I'm feeling pretty frisky, so I'm gonna let your boyfriend watch. I think I might be in love with your Rain. I'm gonna fuck that ass so hard tonight, it's gonna leave a fucking stain. It's gonna leave a stain. It's gonna leave a stain. Your ass will be in pain. I think I love you, Rain. I think I love you, Rain. Your ass will be in lots of love. Make some noise for my future ex, Rain. Oh, makes sense now, Sancho. Make some noise for her. She loves more than Indians, Rain. She loves a part mermaid, guys. And she's fish dancing here. She squirts all over the place, too. Well, don't be even. God, that was amazing. Make some noise for Rain. Make some noise. Holy shit. I gotta tell you, this is the first girl who's ever poured a bottle of water on her on stage. Make some fucking noise. Pamela Anderson, that's right. That was back in
And
82.
you guys, can you guys wipe this up somewhere like right here? Get this shit going, dude. This is crazy, right?
She is crazy, and she's intimidating, and I'm a little scared.
Don't be scared, dude. Just fucking sing from your heart.
She's crazy, guys.
Rain, pay attention.
Rain, really fucking glad you're not my daughter. It really sucks that you spilled a bottle of water. It's so fucking hot. Yeah, well, you're so pretty. Please
Frankfurt, have another seat before you pass out.
Oh my God.
You know what, dude? Styx got her titties out. You sing her killer song. She poured water all over herself.
This is amazing.
And I started the whole fucking thing.
And when I was talking to her, I found out she's above the legal age of consent. She's 16 years old. This is great.
It doesn't matter. Make some noise. That's times, cause my name is Spider. A few baby wipes and some Astro Glide. Michael's gonna take you on the weenie ride. I want to know if you've ever been to Disneyland. You know the lines can be real long. I got a ride that the bitches love, and you won't have to wait at all. All you gotta do is ditch your dad and get a sexy minor star call. I'll take your ass for a weenie ride, spread your cheeks and swallow your pride. Scary like a roller coaster. It will stretch you out so wide. I'm gonna take your ass for a weenie ride. Hold it, open your legs for a weenie ride. You won't be the first to stand and cry. Just bring the baby wipes and some Astro Glide for the weenie ride. Scream out next to say, honey, once you try the weenie ride, you're never gonna be the same. Baby, how you gonna get to heaven if you can't take a little I was about to happen, something we've never done in Frankfurt before. Styx, would you help me out?
Yes, Frankfurt, you guys need to count to 4 with me in order to see the most amazing dance move. You guys ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Step right up for the weenie ride. It's even more fun when you got good time. Used to think I got a little DNA. Well, over your next side. Go on and tell your friends about the weenie ride. You can charge admission, baby, I don't mind. Even with the big old muff, you won't get tonight. I thought she was just a stripper, but obviously she can sing too. Make some noise. You know what we should do? We should have her sing a stripper gram. You know what we should do?
Cocaine.
Yes. Cocaine, but before we do that, let's get some more girls on stage and make this a fucking party.
You sure they don't pick them, Michael?
I know I do, huh? I'm good at it. Is there any girls who want to get on stage and come rock out with the band? Come this way.
Are there any singers that work with Rain that want to go on stage as well?